So I've read hundreds of books. Actually, one year I think I read 50 books in a year. And I've learned so much. And honestly, the three best sources for learning for me has been 1, mentorship, 2, books, and 3, YouTube. So today we'll be talking about my three favorite books out of all these books. I'll be giving you my top 3 favorites. By the way, before we get to the video, I do have my own book called Virtual Law Firm Secrets that's either about to get published in the next month or 2, or by the time you see this, it'll probably be published. Whatever it is, the link will be right below. Again, the book is called Virtual Law Firm Secrets. It will tell you secrets about running your own virtual law firm. It's really cool. So to get details, go ahead and click the link below. So let's go to the video. So first of all, I have all these books in different categories, which makes it really fun to be able to, whenever I finish a book, and by the way, I don't read one book at a time. I always try to read 4 or 5 at a time because it always keeps it interesting. I read a little bit of that, a little bit of that. But it's always split into different categories. These are all business and law firm related. These are actually, I think, more business stuff. I think this is law firm, business, self-development, and then etc. And then a little bit of entertainment, productivity, self-development, stuff like that. So my first favorite book, most influential book, is the Dotcom Secrets book. This is the first book that really introduced me to the idea of creating a sales funnel or funnel to be able to generate clients for my law firm automatically. And I remember reading the premise of it. I'm like, this is so cool. If only I could apply this for my law firm, that'll be amazing. And guess what? I did. That's how I was able to get three Comma Club awards applying this. So this, if you're a lawyer and you're trying to figure out how do I generate clients systematically, automatically, predictably, this is definitely the first book on the journey. And there's also 2 other books after you read this first book, but this is definitely a fundamental for every lawyer who's looking to get more clients. Highly recommend it. And if you want to just take a shortcut and apply and know how this can be applied for your own law firm, then that's what Legal Funnel does. That's the first book. Second book, if you're into productivity and maximizing your time, I read probably over 30 books on productivity. This is by far the best book on that topic. It pretty much summarizes all the top ideas about how to maximize your time. And usually I tab and I bookmark, things that that are very valuable. And also I put tabs on top. There are things that I go and apply right away. And you can tell how good a book is based on how many tabs it has. As you can see, this is a book that I got a lot of value from, learned so much. The Pareto principle, things about time, things about maximizing your productivity, essentially, just from this book. So if you are into self-development and into productivity, the One Thing by Gary Keller is the right book for you. And the third book that a lot of people are not aware of, but it's a secret sauce. It's called Business Secrets from the Bible. It's by a rabbi, and he comes and shares very amazing secrets that are from the Torah or the Bible that teaches you about how to be a good business person. And it's so practical, and it's such life-changing ideas that if you apply this to your relationships and to your business, it will instantly bring results. So I highly recommend it, especially to our Legal Funnel lawyers who are into, again, obviously growing their business, growing their law firm. It's a must read. As you can also see, a lot of tabs in there, a lot of tabs up top. And if you wanted to catch a really good books full of secrets, I want to know why Jewish people are so successful, go ahead and read this book. And there's a reason, by the way. There's not why Jewish people are so successful. There are some secrets and things that are shared in the Bible that have been in these books for thousands of years. So if you go tap into those sources, you'll be able to find little secret sauces. So again, just to recap, Dotcom Secrets to learn about client generation and funnels, the One Thing to learn about productivity, and Business Secrets from the Bible, which is all about growing your business and growing your law firm, and also doing it with good energy and good, with morality, basically. All right. So if you think this video and this recommendation will be valuable for another lawyer, I want you to think about that lawyer right now. Think about it right now. I'm going to ask you this. Who do you think would get value from getting these recommendations for this book? And I want you to go ahead and click the link below, get the link, or go copy and paste the link above this video, and go ahead and text it or message it or email it to at least one lawyer. and they'll thank you, they'll appreciate it because they'll get value from it. And you know what? You'll be able to build a relationship just based on that. And guess what? That's what it says in this book. So go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and share it with one lawyer. And if you got value from this video, go ahead and like the video right now. And I'll provide all the links to all these books below as well. And maybe some other books as well that I recommend. All right? See you in the next video.